around. She grew up tall, she grew up bright at the Indiana boys and the Indiana night. She moved down from the age of 18. She blew the boys away and never been seen. I was introduced and we both started grooving. Said I dig your mama, but we gotta keep moving on.